Good morning, class. Yesterday we have discussed about the primary market, and today we are going to start our next topic, that is secondary market or stock exchange. So, secondary market is a market for the sale and purchase of previously issued or second-hand securities. Yes, we know it very well that when company first time issue its securities, it is issued in primary market only. After that, all the buying and selling of the securities takes place in secondary market. In secondary market, securities are not directly issued by the company to investors. The securities are sold by existing investor to other investors. Sometimes the investor is in need of cash and another investor want to buy the share of the company as he could not get directly from the company. Then both the investor can meet in the secondary market and exchange securities for cash through intermediaries called broker. Yes, it is a very common thing that suppose if you are not able to buy the security from the primary market, at that time you don't have sufficient fund, but now you want to purchase the securities, and there is another person who has purchased the security from the primary market, but now he is in need of cash or he requires fund. So what will he do? He will have to sell the securities. So where he will sell the securities? He will sell the securities in secondary market. And from where you will purchase the securities, you will have to purchase it in the secondary market because it is an already issued securities. So we can say it is a place where both buyer and seller of the securities meet. Okay, and one more thing which is you will have to keep in mind that you will have to buy or purchase a security only through an intermediary which is known as broker. In secondary market, company gets no additional capital as securities are bought and sold between investors only. So directly there is no capital formation, but capital market indirectly contribute in the capital formation by providing liquidity to the securities of the company. We know it very well that now in secondary market company cannot sell its securities, so there is no direct capital formation. Clear? Like primary market, company was selling securities to the public directly. So in primary market, company can have capital formation, but in secondary market, it can't have capital formation directly. Indirectly, it provide the value of the increasing in the value of the share. Clear? If there is no secondary market, then investor could get back their investment only after redemption period is over or when the company gets dissolved, which means investment will be blocked for a long period of time. But with the presence of secondary market, the investor can convert their securities into cash whenever they want, and it also gives a chance to investor to make profit as securities are bought and sold at market price, which is generally more than the original price of the security. Yes, it is again common point that if there will be no secondary market, then investor will not be able to sell their securities, because we know that in primary market company can only sell its securities, company cannot buy its securities. So if secondary market will not be there, then investor have to wait to get the company dissolved. Until the company gets dissolved, investor will not be able to get their money. So in case of financial crisis, he or she will be in trouble. This liquidity offered by secondary market encourages even those investors to invest in securities who want to invest for a small period of time, as there is option of selling securities in there at their convenience. Yes, and by the stock market, it also provide facilities to those investors who want to invest for a short period of time. Clear? Because whenever he wants money, he can sell it in the secondary market. Clear, beta? I hope secondary market is clear to you. If you have any doubt, then you can ask. Okay, thank you so much.